Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the latest update on how to change your Instagram profile picture using your PC. If you've been wanting to refresh your profile or showcase a new look, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Instagram.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, look to the left side menu. You'll see a little icon that represents your profile. Click on that. This will take you to your profile page where all your posts and information are displayed. Next, we need to edit your profile. So, click on the Edit Profile button, which you'll find right above your profile picture. A menu will pop up, and this is where the magic happens. Look for the option that says Change Photo and give it a click. Now, you'll see a few choices. To upload a new image, click on Upload Photo. This will open up a File Explorer window where you can browse through your computer's files. Take your time to find the perfect photo that you want to use as your new profile picture. Once you've selected it, click Open. Your chosen image will be uploaded, and you'll get a preview of how it looks. Before you finalize everything, it's important to confirm the change. Look for the confirmation button on the page. This usually says Submit or Save Changes. Click it, and voila! Your new profile picture is now live for all your followers to see. And there you have it. Changing your Instagram profile picture on PC is quick and straightforward, especially with this new update. Now you can keep your profile fresh and updated with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy posting.